Hello everyone, and topic of this video is electric flux and Gauss law. Okay, let us consider a sphere of radius r. Okay, so this is the sphere whose radius is r and having a positive charge. This is a positive charge located at its center, and the magnitude of the electric field at every point on the surface of sphere is E. This is the magnitude of electric field, which is E is equal to K into Q by R square. Okay, and the direction of the electric field is normal to the surface of the point outward. Okay, so let us consider a small element of the area, which is del S, on the spherical surface, and del S is a vector whose magnitude is equal to the element of the area del S, and its direction is perpendicular to the element of the electric. Okay, so the electric flux, which is defined as del phi, electric flux, which is del phi, is defined as the scalar product of del S and E. So which is del phi is equal to E dot del S. This dot is represent the scalar and this cross is represent the vector multiplication. Okay, so the total flux over the entire spherical surface is obtained by the summing all such a contribution. So okay, so the phi E is equal to summation del S, which is initially tends to 0, EI dot del S I. Okay, and since the angle between the E and del S is 0, here the angle between E and del S is 0, the total flux through a spherical surface can be written as del E is equal to K cross Q by R square summation del S. Okay, and all of the element of the area over the spherical surface is 4 pi R square. Okay, so area of the sphere is area of spherical is 4 pi R square. Okay, hence the net flux through the spherical surface is, which is represented by phi E is equal to K cross Q by R square into 4 pi R square. Okay, and after solving it we get 4 pi this K and cross Q. Okay, after that we put K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, so constant value, and we get phi E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cross 4 pi Q. So after cancel out 4 pi, it's only left that Q by epsilon naught. Okay, so phi is a net flux. This is net flux is equal to Q by E. Okay, net flux is equal to Q by E. The spherical surface of the sphere is referred to as a Gaussian surface. Okay, and this equation is known as Gauss law. So this equation states that the net electric flux through a closed Gaussian surface is equal to the charge q inside the surface divided by epsilon naught. Charge q inside the surface divided by epsilon naught. Okay, so this equation can be defined in this form. So this is called Gauss law. Okay, thank you.